Buddy Larry with MarineMax here in Jacksonville, Florida, and today we're taking a look at this new listing, a 2021 Sea Ray 23 SPX. This boat is complete with the wakeboard tower, the Elite package, which has nice infinity woven carpet that snaps out, and sea deck on the rear platform. This boat is powered by the upgraded 6.2 liter 300 horsepower Mercruiser engine, which is gives it excellent performance, great hole shot, perfect for water sports. One of the other neat features about this boat is the head compartment here. So we do have a porta potty system with a dockside pump out. Really neat feature for the family. We've got some really deep bow seating up front, nice and comfortable, safe for the kids to ride up there, and a huge open cockpit with tons of seating for all your friends and family. Give us a call at 904-545-5310 and schedule a private showing of this boat today. Thank you.